Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by initializing a minimal node API so React has something to talk to. Create the project, install Express and Nodeman, and add a simple get/API/test route that returns JSON. Once done, run Nodeman so code reloads automatically while you develop. This lets you focus on the connection rather than restarts. Make sure CORS or proxy will be addressed next, otherwise your browser will block requests during development. You now create the React client and add a component that fetches from your Node API. Use fetch or Axios in use effect to call http://localhost 5000/API/test and update state with the JSON response. Once done, set a proxy in client package. JSON to /API or enable CORS middleware in Express so the browser allows cross-origin calls. This separation keeps UI logic in React. You finish by running both sides together and verifying requests in the browser. Start Node and the React Dev Server, then inspect the Network tab to confirm 200 responses and proper JSON shape. If you see blocked requests or 404, make sure CORS middleware is enabled on Express or the client proxy is correct. Then restart servers. One key troubleshooting tip: if responses are empty, log the server output and verify route paths exactly match the client fetch URL.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.